Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Barack Obama, and I think you should vote for me for the next election because I can play the electric bass. For instance, I can play Keyword Cat. Now, isn't that skillful? It makes me a very awesome president. The fact that I can also play some funky music, like car wash, because you gotta wash your car. But let's not forget about the Latin people. I can also play some Latin music. I can also play Mexican music like cucaracha. I can also play rap music for my people. I can also play some reggae music. You can't touch this president. And so, because of this amazing skill that I had, you should vote for me. Yeah. And I think that'll be all for today. So don't forget, vote for me when it's time to vote, because I am Barack Obama and I can play the electric bass.